brother in a minute, for real, because of the pandemic. I mean, I seen Rose like in 3 years or something, 2 years. That's how crazy it's been. I feel so proud. Like, this is my man. This is another one of us, my brother. I feel like at Walt Disney's house or something like that. Look at this. Oh, you did it, boy. Can't nobody say you ain't do it. This is inspiration. You know what I'm saying? Bigger than the two. Like, excellence! You did it, my nigga!
Is that the one and only? Is that the young legend? Is that my brother?
Yes.
My homie Diddy in the motherfucking promised land. Y'all know it's going down, man. We talking big money, big moves. This that 2022 shit.
I ain't gonna lie. Niggas be talking like they getting money and like they got taste and they got style and savoir faire. But goddamn, when God made this nigga here, woo, the boy cold. The boy cold, man. You gotta give it to him, man. Thank God made a rosé. Somebody had to do it. Shit! A black man is doing this. This is Niggerati. That's the name of our album we got coming out. Called Niggerati. Alright? It's coming to you. Niggerati. Rosé in love.
That nigga say Niggerati.
Niggerati. Oh, this is great.
Which one to get round in? You want to get in the golf cart with the... That's it.
Yeah, you know how we do.
You know how we do it.
I feel like I'm at Universal Studios. You want to drive me? Hey, yo, come on, man. Hey, yo, drive me around, man. What the fuck? Hey, yo, you my nigga. I'm used to this. This thing right here in the back seat. You dig? Hey, yo, Rose, show me around this beautiful estate, man.
I got you, homie. I got you.
Hold on, stop right here. We gotta get... Yeah. It's my brother's home right here. That's right. The fuck? I'm inspired. Some horses in the back. That's what I'm gonna buy you some horses for. Look at that. God knows. You know what I'm saying? I'm buy you. That's what I could buy you. I could always buy you some horses. You got so much land. Now I know what to get you for your birthday and Christmas. Horses. And I'm getting sexy out here on these hoes. Don't think I don't know, baby. Don't think I don't know. Look, they drinking champagne with love. You know what I'm saying? This is what we doing out here. This is what we feed our horses. That Bel Air. That Bel Air. You know what I'm saying?
Tell them niggas that talk, man.
Nah,
I be telling them, nigga, don't forget, nigga, motherfucking Puff Daddy.
Yeah. Nah.
I know when you get another type of money, you try to classy it up. Fuck that.
Yeah.
Puff Daddy minks to the flow.
Yeah. Dragon.
Big diamonds.
Dragon.
Big stones.
I got so many ideas for this house. It's housewarming gifts. Man, I think I'm gonna get you a giraffe. Let's shoot a commercial, nigga.
I like the commercial.
Whatever.
That's what we doing right now.
Man, this is lovely. We just walking and shit. I love this shit. The fuck? Yo, I always love to run like on open fields.
He won't stop running. You got 300 acres of running. Still running. He's still running. I'm catching the content, but I can't run. Nah, that's what it is. This freedom. That's what this is. Helicopter. The helicopter. We land that bitch right out there.
With all these ideas that coming out your head, you put into existence. The manifestation. You know what I'm saying? You doing that shit so fly, you just get you flying, baby.
Had to have this side just to play with off the rip. Just so y'all niggas know, when I tell y'all the final touches, when I tell y'all the final touches, and this studio was designed by Diddy, y'all niggas know it's real. All that shit.
Yeah, I'm blessed, man. I'm blessed to be here. Thank God, man.
Echo! Yeah.
Listen, man, when it come to that, certain levels of motivation, you can only come to certain individuals. You feel me? Originator. A lot of money. This nigga, he could take 20 motherfuckers' lives and divide them, and they all would be successful on some G shit. And that, I know you don't even understand that. They gonna say that's Illuminati. Them niggas got too much money. But guess what? It felt good when the nigga said, you so successful, we can't believe it. It's gotta be a, nah, nigga, God is great. And that hard work, them 20-hour shifts, them 20-hour shifts. You can't overlook them. You can't overlook them.
Shout out to all the hustlers out there. Yeah, we back outside. Have already had a successful trip. I could leave now if I want. If I wanted to, I could leave now and it would have been like, wow. You know what I'm saying? Me and my brother, oh my God, I'm so proud of him. Yeah, but I just want to tell y'all, I'm having a great time. It's so black in Atlanta. I love Atlanta.
Come to that, certain levels of motivation. You can only come to certain individuals. You feel me? Originator. A lot of money. This nigga, he could take 20 motherfuckers' lives and divide them, and they all would be successful on some G shit. And that, I know you don't even understand that. They gonna say that's Illuminati. Them niggas got too much money. But guess what? It felt good when the nigga said, you so successful, we can't believe it. It's gotta be a, nah, nigga, God is great. And that hard work, them 20-hour shifts, them 20-hour shifts. You can't overlook them. You can't overlook them.
I'm back outside and I'm vicious. I'm vicious. And I'm not doing it for me no more. I'm doing it for we.
I'm the son of Roger Mayweather.
Roger, tell these motherfuckers subscribe to the Prophet channel.
Oh, they got you.
Prophet Muscle.
Subscribe for more, bro.